This is Miss Sassy. She is our dog alarm. She tells us when we have to get up. She bites the covers. Yes, look at her. Sassy, do you want food? Food? Is that why you want us up? Is that why you want us up? Her's biting the covers again. This is how she wakes Mommy up. 'Cause she wants food. Huh, honey? What is it? Mommy, get up. I want my food. I want my food. Sassy, stop now. Sassy, do you want food or what? Do you want your food? Huh? Want your food? What's going on? Do you want your food? Is that it? Yeah, you're gonna pull the covers off of Mommy? Yep. You say, lazy Mommy, get up. I want my food. Give me food. You have a hungry little puppy. Her name is Sassy. Okay, we're gonna get your food here soon. But you gotta stop chewing on my covers. Sassy. Oh, there she goes. Now she she says, well, if you don't have covers on, you can't sleep anymore. Huh. Shall we get your food, Sassy? Shall we get your food? Huh? Now she's gonna dig the covers off of. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, let's go. Let's go get your food. Say bye.